At Dynamic Health and Performance, we don't just treat symptoms. We combine chiropractic care and rehabilitation into one seamless approach built around mobility and stability. Drawing from advanced golf performance principles, we know the body works best when mobile joints move freely and stable areas stay strong and controlled. We begin with a thorough movement screen that quickly reveals where you're limited or unstable, then create a personalized plan. Chiropractic adjustments quickly restore joint motion in tight areas like the hips, mid-back, and shoulders. Rehab exercises then lock in that mobility with the stability your core, pelvis, and shoulder blades need to support it. Patients see faster recovery from pain, smoother swings, better distance and consistency, and fewer injuries over time. Whether you're dealing with nagging back or hip discomfort or simply want to play longer and stronger, this integrated method gets results. It's not one size fits all. Your body, your goals, and a clear path forward. If you're ready to move and feel better, give us a call and let's get you assessed at Dynamic Health and Performance. Your best golf and pain-free movement are closer than you think.